Morning, family.
Good morning.
Day 3 on the Valiant Lady.
Day 3.
We are in Bimini.
Bimini?
We about to get us a quick bite. I ain't thinking brother was gonna make it this morning. Let me tell you. We'll discuss that a little later. But boy.
We here.
Yep, we are. Yeah, we gonna get out here in these streets. Let you know what's going on. Till next time. Peace. Alright, we done made it to the galley for breakfast this morning. Let's see. How your food this morning, babe?
It's okay. I'm happy the omelet line is quick, but I'm not big on pre-made omelets. I like my eggs kind of nice and hot right out of the skillet. So it's kind of a little bit for me.
Oh, okay. Alright, I got some French toast. I got an omelet. I ain't tried it yet. Hash browns and bacon. Let's see how it comes out. Let's see. I see what she's saying, but I'm good with it. They alright to me. She ain't a real breakfast person anyway, though. Bacon okay, it's a little cold, but yeah, it's not a true buffet, but they serve it to you, so it's not like it's piping hot. Yeah, so but again, it's not bad at all though. So we have no complaints. So like I said, we about to get out here and get on the beach at Bimini, and we'll let you know. You have to take a tram from where the ship is docked to the beach and pool area. It's about a 10-minute tram ride. As you can see, Bimini water is gorgeous. It's a tight race between Bimini and Aruba for the prettiest water. The tram does stop at the casino. You can get off there, or you can rent a golf cart and tour the island if you want. That's outside of Virgin's excursion, so you'll be doing that on your own. But we talked to a couple of people who did it and said they enjoyed it, so next time we may try that ourselves. As soon as you arrive, you have a bar right there at Bimini, full service, same as you would if you were on the ship itself. You walk down the ramp, you are headed towards the pool. They have 2 pools, one on each side, fairly large pools. We got there a little early, so there weren't too many people there at the time. Like I said, large pools, one on each side. We actually wound up going down to the beach and just laying out on the beach there for a little while. Yep, I drink fruity drinks. I don't care if you judge me. Yes, I like fruity drinks. Babe.
Something blue. I can't think of the name of it. Blue Waters?
Bahama Blues.
Oh, yeah, I might have Bahama Blues when I leave.
We got a little bit of everything on this plate. Rice and beans. I have no idea what that is.
I don't know.
Salad.
Like oh yeah,
Hickam salad.
yeah.
Oh, okay.
Pineapple in it, some watermelon.
Okay, cool. Fruit salad. What's this, jerk chicken?
Jerk chicken is delicious.
Got some pulled pork.
They gave me curry. I don't know if you got
Bimini, aka took a nap. Now we see if we can get in extra virgin. When I got on the app, wasn't quick enough to get a reservation, so we're gonna see if we can walk in and wait and try to get a seat. We'll let you know how that go. Y'all see that woman right there? When I say she the bomb, she is the bomb. Look here. We are in extra virgin. It's been booked since before the cruise started. I missed it when we first initially booked the cruise itself. We was in line. They were telling people it was going to be a 2.5 hour wait. They'll put you on the wait list. We was like, oh, we gonna miss it. My baby say, hold on, let me do something. She pulled out that app. She say, babe, somebody canceled. It's a 610 available. She said, I'm gonna hit it. Boom. And it's crazy. The people right before us was complaining because they couldn't get in, yada yada. And the man said, well, if someone canceled, you can book it. The manager had to kind of like ease them out the way because they was taking up too much time. He asked us what time. We said 6:10. Gave him the cabin number. He said, okay. I say, we just booked while we was in line. He say, see, that's what happens. That's because that's my baby. My baby.
Yes.
Yeah, when I tell you my baby is the best, my baby is the best. We gonna let you know how this extra virgin is. Later. When I say those meatballs were delicious, those meatballs were delicious. I didn't try my baby soup, but she said it was good. I forgot what type of soup it was, but she said it was delicious. After we left Extra Virgin, we went to the Misbehaved show. I don't even know how to describe this one. It's definitely unpredictable, not your traditional cruise show. Definitely a lot of crowd participation. It's hilarious and a slight bit edgy, so but it's definitely a must see. We capped the night off with a little bit of karaoke. Okay, family. Hey, misbehaving. Definitely good show. Funny, different. If you come on board, you definitely got to check it out. We checked out karaoke. That was dope. This is the last day. Well, it ain't the last day. We got to get up off of here, but we got a late flight, so we're going to try to catch some breakfast at Razzle Dazzle. We're waiting in line now. We got a 2 o'clock flight, so we got to be off the ship by 10:30, so we should be good. You will definitely get all the ins and outs and shenanigans that happen on board the Valiant Lady.